Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to exciting topic for you, so make you sure to watch to the end. So guys, here's sign-in problems Apple ID on iPhone and iPad. So how can fix this issue? Simple step by step and follow them. So guys, first of all, check your internet connection. Make sure you connected to stable Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now open settings and then tap Wi-Fi and connected Wi-Fi. Back home screen again, open Safari app and check here the internet stable. Now search here any websites, so check here. After that, verify your Apple ID and password. Go to appleid.com and try to sign into there. If you forget password, use forget password option to reset this. After that, open Safari app and then tap here apple.com. Now here sign in. So type your Apple ID email, and if you don't remember your password and forget password, and back home screen, close the page. Again, update your device software. Make sure your iPhone, iPad and Mac is running the latest version iOS update and macOS. So check your update. Open settings and then scroll down, click journal. Now scroll down, tap on software updated. Now check here the updated latest. Here is asking updated your phone, so please update your phone and back home screen, close page. Now we can see he's asking updated now, so you have tap on update and updated your phone. Now back home screen, close the page. Again check Apple system status. Now tap Safari app and tap search Apple system status. Now tap here sports system status and wait a few seconds. Now here's new appear on screen. So guys, you can see here's all services operating normally. Now back home screen, close page. Again restart your device. Something simple to restart fixes this issue. Now tap here and tap restarts your iPhone. 30 seconds, and after it restarts, slide off and again back home screen, enter iPhone passcode. So guys, sign out and sign back in. Go to settings, then tap on sign Apple ID profile, then scroll down and click on sign out Apple ID and again sign in. So then sign back in your Apple ID. Reset network settings, open settings and then journal. Now then scroll down. After that, is transfer reset iPhone. Now tap it and tap on reset and reset network settings. Enter iPhone passcode and then reset network settings. Click it and back. So waiting few seconds. Now you can see enter iPhone passcode and again check your date and time. Open settings and search date and time. Click here. Now toggle turn on, set automatically. If you had toggle tone off, you can toggle tone on and back home screen. So guys, if you have any problem, tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.